Hi everyone, welcome to the series of videos where we try to learn how to use AI tools better. So the tool today is Chat GPT Agent Mode. We have all heard that Chat GPT has introduced agents or agentic AI, etc. But what really is an agent? An agent in this context basically interacts with the websites directly on your behalf. You can use your agents to book appointments or shop for you or create slideshows for your meetings or spreadsheets for your own analysis or prepare a detailed report for your college project or handle other complex tasks from start to finish. For example, let's say as a manager of a food chain business, you want to expand in South Delhi and you want to figure out the best breakfast places based on the customer reviews and prices in the area. Let's see how ChatGPT agent can help us here. We go to the ChatGPT /agent, give our prompt. After initial few seconds, it comes up with what it has understood of the entire thing and it starts its search. So it's going through grammar room, Zomato, and then again Zomato. It's going through ratings. It's actually working at a speed unbelievable. It keeps on searching and let's see what results it will give. Now it's creating a detailed presentation of what we had earlier asked to do. And after working for 12 minutes, it has come up with a summary of the best breakfast places in the South Delhi. There are many parameters that it has used, and towards the end, it has given a summary of the thing as well. There is a PPT towards the end which can be downloaded. So, next time you need a helping hand for your small business or want to impress your boss or get a job done by a subordinate, you can consider ChatGPT Agentic Mode. Also, as a parting note, in case you're wondering how you can ask your ChatGPT agent to shop for you, it is still in a nascent stage in India and OpenAI has partnered with NPCI and Razorpay, which will allow you to do so real soon.